What's up guys, today I'm going to provide a comparison of 3 affordable video microphones. Each of these microphones can be found on Amazon for under £50 and they are all designed to enhance the quality of your audio without breaking the bank. In this review I will provide sample audio from each of the microphones using my Sony a7 Mark II to demonstrate their quality and performance. Please note that the audio you are about to hear is raw and has not been edited or enhanced in any way. So, let's begin. Microphone 1. This is the Fantasyl mini shotgun condenser microphone which can be found on Amazon for around £25. Not only is it the cheapest microphone of the 3, at 81mm long it is also the smallest of the 3. The body of the microphone is made from metal which makes it feel robust and well made. However, the plastic cold shoe mount feels a little bit flimsy. The microphone comes with two 3.5mm cables, one 30cm cable to be used with your camera and one 80cm cable to be used with your smartphone. The microphone also comes with an extra furry windshield which is quite effective in reducing wind noise when using the microphone outside. This microphone draws power directly from your camera or smartphone and does not require dedicated battery power. The Fantasyl has a frequency response of between 35Hz and 18 kHz, with a sensitivity of -42 dB plus or minus 1 dB. Microphone 2. This is the Vexin Mic 05, which can be found on Amazon for just under £30. The body of the microphone is made from plastic and at approximately 140mm long it is the largest microphone of the 3. I was disappointed to find out that my microphone arrived with no battery cover, which is a worrying insight into the manufacturer's quality control. Fortunately, it did come with the windshield and the 3.5mm cable as expected. The 3.5mm cable is actually built into the microphone and doesn't seem particularly robust, so I can't help but question the durability and longevity of this connection. The Vexin has a frequency response of between 50Hz to 16 kHz and has a sensitivity of -45 dB plus or minus 3 dB, with a 20 dB sensitivity enhancement that can be used for long distance pickup. Unlike the other two microphones, the Vexin does require a AAA battery to operate, which is worth bearing in mind. Microphone 3. This is the UHURU UCM-11PL, which can be found on Amazon for just under £50. It is the most expensive of the 3 microphones and it comes with a few accessories including a small tripod and an LED video light. The microphone is approximately 130mm long and is manufactured from metal. The microphone comes with one standard 3.5mm cable and a TRRS to TRS adapter so that you can use it with your camera and smartphone. This microphone has a sensitivity of -40 dB plus or minus 3 dB and actually has the smallest frequency response of between 50Hz and 14 kHz, so it may lack in the very low and very high frequencies. But to put this in perspective, the frequency range of human hearing is typically between 20Hz and 20 kHz, so it would be suitable for most vlogging purposes. The microphone connects onto the cold shoe mount using a rubber housing to dampen noise and vibration when on the move. The microphone also draws power directly from your camera or smartphone and it does not require a dedicated battery. And lastly, for comparison purposes, this is the inbuilt microphone of the Sony a7 Mark II. So, now that you've heard each of the microphones, which of these did you prefer? Let me know in the comments below. I hope that this comparison video has helped you decide which of these microphones is best for you. Thank you for taking the time to watch my review. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Have a great day.